morning. I am Rosetta.
And I am Rosie. Today's report will help viewers explore UU responses to the big question that asks, what are we?
One day, UU's respond to the question very logical. They say we are Unitarian Universalists.
And Unitarian Universalists are people who believe in putting their faith into action.
How can you act out your faith? Well-known author and naturalist named Terry Tempest Williams has some ideas about that.
William is a Mormon, not a UU. She is a source who can help us UUs explore ideas that we are going to share now.
The first word is question. Walk. Dance. Taste. Touch. Smell. Listen. Speak. Write. Read. Cry. Kneel. Pray. Bow. Rise. Laugh. Circle. Those aren't all the words that Williams give us. Here's her full quote. This is my living faith, an active faith, a faith of verbs to question, explore, experiment, experience, walk, run, dance, play, eat, love, learn, dare, taste, touch, smell, listen, argue, speak, write, read, draw, provoke, emote, scream, sin, repeat, cry, kneel, pray, bow, stand, look, laugh, rise, cajole, create, confront, confound, walk back, walk forward, circle, hide, and seek.
Wow, that's sure a lot of ways to act out our faith. Now let's hear what our news analyst has to say about all this.
Thank you, co-anchors. This is your NUU analyst with comments of what you have just seen. Today's big question, what are we? UUs say very logically that they are Unitarian Universalists. What are they? UUs are people who believe that they should put their faith into action. In other words, it's not enough simply to believe something. You need to let your beliefs shape how you live your life. UUs have many different ideas about principles. They agree about the golden rule. They agree that wisdom can be found in many sources, and they agree that we should focus on making our world a better place for everyone to live.